This is a bolt, and this is the thread of this bolt. Now, do you know how important these threads are? Starting from construction, engineering, manufacturing, and to literally any industries, these bolts are used to fasten or screw many important equipments. And without these bolts, our bridges, buildings, structures, machines, everything will fail. And the bolts perform all these important tasks to keep our world safe with the help of these threads. These threads get interlocked with the internal threads of the nuts. So if these threads fail or break during the operation, the entire thing will collapse. Now, having said this, let us now try to learn how these important threads are generated over the ball surface. The first most common way to generate thread is by a single point cutting tool in a lathe machine by removing certain amount of material. The second thread cutting method is taping, which is used to generate internal threads only. A specialized tool called tap is rotated with respect to its axis and fed inside a plain drilled hole. And lastly, we can use a threaded die where the workpiece is inserted in the die opening and rotated. Okay, so now after these cutting methods, we can also create threads by using some additive techniques called laser sintering and lithography, where materials are added layer by layer to form threads. And in the last, we have thread rolling process, which is a forming technique where neither any material is removed nor anything is added. And this process is the topic of the current video. So what is the thread rolling process? Here we have two cylindrical dies which have internal threads already cut around them. One of the dies is stationary while the other die is movable and rotates. The workpiece is kept in between these two dies. Now, due to the pressure from both the sides, threads are formed on the surface of the workpiece. Now, let us try to understand this mechanism with the help of a simple animation. So here you can see there are two rollers and the workpiece is inserted in between them, and when the workpiece comes out from the other end, threads are generated on this plain workpiece due to the pressure from both these rolls. Now, threads made of rolling have some advantages over the traditional cutting techniques. These are they have better mechanical properties since the flow of grains, as you can see in the diagram, is uniform and follow the pattern of the workpiece. Whereas in cutting techniques, there is no improvement in the mechanical properties. Secondly, if the material saving is your concern, then in thread rolling, no material gets wasted. Whereas in thread cutting, obviously we need to remove some amount of material in the form of wastage. Next, the surface finish of the thread made with rolling is far better than that obtained by thread cutting or casting or any other methods. So this was all about the thread rolling operations. For more such informative videos, please subscribe Meg Vidya.